Welcome to this tutorial where we'll learn how to make a homemade CBD infusion. Whether you're looking for relaxation, stress relief, or simply a moment of wellness, this CBD tea is easy to make and full of benefits. You'll need 1 gram of CBD flowers or a few drops of CBD oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or another fat, like butter, 250 milliliters of water, and a tea bag or herbs of your choice for extra flavor, like mint or chamomile. Boil the water in a small pot. Add the coconut oil to the boiling water. This helps the CBD bind, as cannabinoids are fat-soluble. Add the CBD flowers or CBD oil. Let it simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the CBD compounds to release. For extra flavor, add the tea bag or herbs a few minutes before taking the pot off the heat. Pour your infusion through a fine mesh strainer to remove the flowers. Pour the tea into a cup, and you're ready to enjoy. Feel free to add honey or lemon for extra taste. Enjoy your homemade CBD infusion, perfect for a relaxing moment. Remember, CBD effects vary from person to person, so start with a small amount to see how your body responds.